Ex-ballerina, or also known as the Black Swan, Ashley Benefield shot and killed her husband, Doug Benefield. We're going to be watching Ashley go into the police station shortly after Doug was shot.
Just don't, less bodies near the feet.
Waylon, he needs to stay. Okay, so you know what they're going to come in and do, okay? They're going to take their clothes, they're going to take pictures, they're going to take stops. It's like being on the video.
I find it extremely interesting that Ashley had already got an attorney and brought her with to the police station.
Oh, I gotcha.
No, so what we need to do is so she's gonna let me stay. Yeah, I'm gonna stay. I understand. So you don't make it work now.
You have to do all that, and then I got some thoughts about later.
Yes.
Oh, we will.
Okay, Ashley, I'm Detective Flonzinski. I'm with the Manatee County Sheriff's Office Homicide Unit. I know that we haven't talked yet, and we're not going to be taking a statement from you. That's fine. I have a search warrant, okay? And your attorney's here. I'm going to give it a copy to both of you so you guys can read it, but I'm going to actually read it to you first. Do you understand? Okay. I need a yes.
Yes.
Okay.
You have to answer verbally so that they're both
Yeah, well,
I find Ashley's silence really bizarre. She was like this in the trial too. She would only answer her lawyer. Even when the judge was asking her questions, she would not answer unless she absolutely had to. And that even goes with acknowledging that she understands and various things. She almost never would respond back or even look at the person talking to her. And she's definitely doing it talking to police right now. She's letting the lawyer do all the talking. She keeps looking at the lawyer instead of answering, and then her lawyer also has to say you need to verbally consent.
we are recording.
I'm sorry. Yeah.
That's fine. You're under a lot of stress, and I totally understand that. This is one of the most trying times probably in your life. So if you have questions, ask. If you want to talk to your attorney privately, just tell me. I'll be more than happy to leave the room. I'll turn the recording off. You can say whatever you want to say. But no one can stop this process, just so you know, because it is a search warrant. All right? You can't refuse it. If you do refuse it, there's actually a charge for that. It's called obstruction to a search warrant. But everything is going to be laid out. There's going to be no reason for you to refuse anything. If you have any questions, please just ask, okay? Because I'm more than happy to share and to talk about anything that I can. All right? Circuit Court of the 12th Circuit, the 12th Judicial Circuit in Manatee County, Florida. Search warrant. In the name of the state of Florida, to all singular, the sheriffs of the state of Florida and their deputies, commissioners of the Florida Department of Law Enforcement and his designees, municipal police officers acting within their jurisdiction, and state attorney investigators. Whereas I have received an affidavit and application for a search warrant on this date by the affiant, Detective Garrett Michael Plunzinski of the Manatee County Sheriff's Office, and whereas I have examined the facts set forth in support of said application for a search warrant, and whereas the facts have caused me to certify and find that there is probable cause to believe that the laws of the state of Florida relative to Florida State Statute 78204 sub 2, murder, have been violated, and the instrumentalities of said crime or evidence relevant to proving said felony may be found within the human body described in the application, and said application is incorporated herein by reference. Therefore, these presents are to command you with the proper and necessary assistance in daytime or nighttime, on Sundays or on holidays, as the exigencies of the occasion may require, and use any force necessary to diligently search a human being identified as the suspect, and by the following name: Ashley Christina Benefield.
Benefield.
Benefield, I'm sorry, I apologize. Benefield. Race white, date of birth 12/5/91. Sex female, height 5'9", hair black. If it's brown, I'm sorry, I didn't get a chance more than a glimpse to see you. Eyes brown, Social Security. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Address currently located at the Manatee County Sheriff's Office, Criminal Investigation Division Office. On the basis of the foregoing facts, affiant believes the following evidence may be obtained from Ashley Benefield and would be necessary in this investigation. 1, buccal swabs containing human DNA. Now that's going to be swabs taken from your mouth, okay? 2, any and all clothing currently being worn by Ashley Benefield to include socks, shoes, shorts, shirt, and bra. 3, any and all jewelry currently being worn by Ashley Benefield. 4, swabs from Ashley Benefield's extremities to include her hands, arms, wrists, and neck to be tested for trace or transferred DNA that may indicate a struggle took place prior to the victim's death. 5, full body photos of Ashley Benefield. If any of same be found, you are hereby authorized to seize and secure same and make a return of your doing under this warrant within 10 days of the date thereof. You are likewise to give a proper receipt for said items and to deliver a copy of this warrant to the person from whom the items are taken or the person in charge of the human body wherein the items were found. You are further directed to take said items into evidence and bring before me any other court any other court having jurisdiction. And I'm sorry, I can't read it because there's actually print over it that the judge made. It's there. Witness on my hand, the official seal of this date, 9/27/2020 in Manatee County, Judge Gilbert Smith.
And there are injuries on her legs. The injuries on her wrists and some of her scratches. She does appear to have some redness and raised here, and then the bruising that's on her legs.
Actually, are you able to show me without showing me, obviously, your chest or your pelvic region, anything on your stomach that we would want to photograph in detail?
And now I'm seeing she has stuff over here as well.
Yep. Okay.
Okay. I'm going to back out and let you...
Yep.
Allergic to latex.
These aren't latex, these are nitrile. And I can show you that. Other free nitrile, okay. I'm gonna close the door to give us some privacy, if that's all right.
Yeah.
Ashley,
yeah.
is it okay if I stay in here with you? Okay.
Notice how fast Ashley answered her lawyer by nodding repeatedly. I think she reminds me of a child, not answering questions, looking down, even when she was asked to show other areas of her body that may or may not have any bruising or injuries. And she quietly lifts up her shirt, says nothing, and just kind of lets them look. And there was something there, but she doesn't say anything. And then the second the lawyer says, "Do you want me to stay with you?" she's nodding profusely.
Waiting.
For the record, we're going to pause the recording at 12:09 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, it takes a second. Time now is 12:32, and we are recording again. Okay. Ashley, can you please stand up for me? I just want to take a look at your injuries. Can you turn around for me? Thank you.
hold your arms up for me? Did you see anything on her legs that were specifically...
Back of the left knee, just below the kneecap, if you shine a flashlight on it, there is some bruising, and then a bit on her upper right thigh. Side of her upper right thigh.
Up here?
Mm-hmm.
You can put your arms on. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make you hold them out there like that long.
So this police video is relatively boring, but I'm wondering what you think. Do you think that Ashley being here and acting the way she is her being guilty, sad, mad, not guilty, in shock? What do you take from her mood throughout this entire video? Up to this point, I feel like she's not acting like somebody would if they just shot and killed someone they love, who is also the parent of their baby. But then again, this could be shock and maybe her just closing off and being numb in this process is how she copes with it. So who knows for sure, but I definitely want to know your feelings on it.
If you need to sit down or anything, you just let us know, okay?
Yeah, can you just sit down? Just say something.
I did notice some redness in her hair. I think we got a picture of it, but I'm just bringing it to your attention.
Thank you. You said it was in her hair?
In her ear.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Some redness in her ear.
Left ear.
In her left ear, yes.
Ashley, can you turn towards me, please?
And Detective, I mentioned that I noticed the scratches on the wrist, but I have not seen, because I didn't have her lift her arms, that there were the scratches that are under her left arm as well, on her left arm. I think we photographed those.
Mm-hmm.
I just documented them too. Okay. What do you want to do next?
I'm gonna swab your hands, just like I did for your arms, and then we're gonna start taking your clothes and do more pictures, okay? Good. You can go ahead and sit down if you want to. Okay, can I have your left hand, please? Thank you.
Yep. Oh no, I'll make sure that you definitely look happy. Sure.
Not hurting you, am
Is that
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
Hey. Nope. Good time.
No. No. All right, we're gonna stop recording.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you all right?
Oh, I'm fine. I'm just worried for her. She hasn't eaten anything all day or anything like that.
Do you want me to get you something?
No, I don't think she can eat. She hasn't been able to eat, so. But no, I'm
How can I make her more comfortable?
No, she's fine.
Okay. I mean, the last thing I want her to do is feel like, she's gonna pass out, or if I can make her more comfortable. Ashley, I understand that, you're not supposed to be talking to me, but you can tell your attorney I'm hungry or thirsty or something, and I will get you whatever you wanted. Aspirin, I rushed and got you aspirin. All you gotta do is say you need or want something. I understand this is a very trying time for you. I know that I'm supposed to be the bad guy in this situation to you. I'm not trying to be the bad guy, and I don't want to be the bad guy. If I can help you, please tell me how I can help you, okay? This is teamwork as far as I'm concerned. I want to get the truth, and you want me to know the truth. So if I can make you more comfortable so we can get through this together, please just say so. I don't want to be the guy that you remember was a jerk at the sheriff's office this night when you were going through the hardest night of your life, all right? I try and be the good guy, and I hope you're seeing that a little bit. All right, we're gonna turn the recording off. You're gonna take all the clothing except for the underwear. Okay. We're gonna give you a Tyvek suit, which is that suit. In the meantime, it's my understanding you have clothing coming. Okay, so it's only gonna be a short time that you're in that thing. I've actually seen people walk home and say it was the best thing they've ever worn. They were homeless, but there's that. Bad joke, I guess. All right, we won't go there with that joke. You can get started, and are you gonna stay in the room with them? That's fine. I don't have a problem with it. Just make sure that we do take socks, sneakers, and jewelry if she's got any on her. I don't know. I mean, you'll know. All right. For the record, time now is 12:42.
So Ashley was officially found guilty this year and sentenced. She is to serve 20 years in prison, but currently her lawyers have already started the appeal.